Namaste. The gist of the CBSE circular dated 20th July, wide notification, wide circular number 157 is very simple. They want to analyze the Supreme Court judgment properly, and finally they succeeded. The intention of the CBSE is the Supreme Court judgment is not applicable in the following cases, like for adjudication proceedings like audit or assessments or cancellation of registration or revocation of registration, for processing of refunds. So, routine duties of the assessing authority or proper officer, they can perform all their duties in a regular manner. The judgment dated 27/4/2021 given by the Honorable Supreme Court in view of the COVID pandemic. So the particular judgment is not applicable for the things which are discussed now. So the intention of the Supreme Court as well as the CBIC is the following functions. Again, I am reiterating once again: cancellation of registration, adjudication proceedings, raising of demands or issue of show cause notices, or application of refunds, processing of application of refunds, or disposal of application for refunds, and application for revocation of cancellation of registration. So these are all the regular duties performed by the proper officer or adjudicating authorities or right authorities. So the particular judgment is not applicable, and the judgment applicable in the following circumstances: if any appeal to be filed before the Joint Commissioner or Additional Commissioner Appeals or Commissioner Appeals, whatever it may be, or appellate authority for the advance reading, if any appeal to be filed before the advance reading authority or tribunal. So in that particular cases only the limitation aspect is applicable as per the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. The first judgment was applicable from 15th March 2020, and the second judgment was made on 27/4/2021. So the intention of the CBIC as well as Honorable Supreme Court is the proceedings that are applicable are appeals to be filed before the additional or joint commissioner or commissioner, or for the advance ruling purpose, any appeal to be filed for advance ruling purpose or for tribunal purpose. Then only the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court is applicable. And the last para in the circular as well as the last line of the important para, the para number 5. Para number 5 on last line, it is categorically held that wherever proceedings for revision or rectification of any order is required to be undertaken and is not applicable to any other proceedings under GST law. This is very important, and is not applicable to any other proceedings under GST law. In other words, the extension of timelines granted by the Honorable Supreme Court by its order dated 27/4 is applicable in respect of the appeals only. So these are two important lines, and the last line is very important: not applicable for any other proceedings under GST law except appeals. So this is the intention and the spirit of the circular dated 20th July 2021, circular number 157. So this is the understanding of NDRF. Kindly go through the circular for proper understanding, and request you to advise your clients accordingly. Namaste.